We are discussing about the chapter 3, empirical formula and molecule formula. So what are we going to learn on this chapter? Okay, this chapter we need to learn first thing about the meaning. Okay, about the meaning. That is the one, we need to understand what is an empirical formula. Number two, we need to understand what is a molecule formula. Then we need to do some example how to convert molecule formula to become an empirical formula. So this is a level 1, which we need to cover 3 parts. Secondly, we need to go for calculation for this chapter. Okay, there is a calculation of empirical formula. Then how we do find the molecule formula from the empirical formula. Okay, there is a second part of the formulas. There's a 2 divisions under the calculation. And thirdly, we need to know about the experiments. The experiments of these chapters consist of 2. One is how to determine the empirical formula of copper oxide, and secondly we need to determine the empirical formula of magnesium oxide. So while we are learning these 2 experiments, we should know how to arrange the apparatus, the precautions that we need to carry out to the experiment, and also how we can calculate. Besides that, we also need to understand the state of observation and also the writing up the chemical equation. So altogether there is a 5 points. I repeat: 1, we need to know empirical formula, molecule formula, an example, calculation as a 4th part, and the 5th, we need to understand about 2 experiments. So therefore, this is what we are talking about in general. The students should know about the empirical formula and molecule formula.